Okay, I'm using the VM5 app. Nandito lang nga tayo ngayon sa isang cemetery. Hyperscan mode. I think it needs internet. Hello, is there anybody here that would like to communicate? So, ghost box and hyperscan ghost box. Hello? Is there anybody here that would like to communicate? Please use the device on my left hand. Oh, we can hear something. Hello? Hello? Can I please get your name? I'm Paranormal Cyclist. May kasama ba ako ngayon dito? Sorry, nakalimutan ko ng aking speaker. Hello? Can you please tell me my name? So basically, itong ghost box, sometimes FM radio ito, pwede ding AM radio, pwede ring merong sound bank na nakakalagay. So it's scanning the audio file really fast so that entities can manipulate it and can create response. Alright, hello. Nakakakuha tayo ng responses pero medyo mahina lang kasi itong speaker ng phone ko eh. Oh, there's a cat. Hello? Pwede nyo bang sabihin ko anong hayop yung nasa harapan natin? Hello? Okay lang, ayoko talaga gumawa ng session na kapag stock speaker lang ng phone ang ginagamit. So, stop ko muna. So, thank you if meron tayong mga nakausap, may nag-respond sa ating mga queries and questions. I'm gonna close the session in 5 seconds. Is there anything that you would like to say to me? I think I heard goodbye. Alright, thank you. Please do not follow us home. Oh, hello cat. I'm gonna close the session in 3, 2, 1. Alright.